Katanat revenue and disaster management ka sarkar jala kan phah jurip ya ka jingkieng Umïam khanang ban yo maham lupa yo ka wan kanu kanu ka jingma la ja ba ka jingkieng kat kut ne tuano nakaliang ba kerman shela menteri badai khmi ya ni katanat halor ka hukum na yeng ka shiri ka megalia kalamana ban pnia ikali kit mar khia na kate ka jingkieng uloang ba katanat kan pej bnia ya kan ni ka benta khanang ban like na kanu kanu ka jingma.
When it comes to this roads, bridges, buildings, and all, uh, not only this downside should be taken care. We should take care the entire wherever we saw that chances of calamity, chances of it to damage. So we should protect it. And for this, from disaster management, yeah, we do try to trace when it comes to this, but we need the cooperation of everyone, not only the government. Responsibility. Here, we the public also are responsible for this. Until unless after seeing that notice that it is applicable only for 10 tons, we carry 20 tons. There are times that you have a house and then you don't want a thief to enter to your house, but still he entered. So in that way you lost your property. So the same thing here when it comes to these bridges. So if the people are go against that notice, so of course you cannot trace it 100%. So never know when it will happen. So my request to the public is that we require your cooperation. You might say this is a government's property, we don't care about it. But in the end, when some damage to the government property, that means it damage to our property too. So for this, we need your cooperation. But I feel that what is the most important for us to do is that instead of us thinking that if the bridge damage and then what will be the loss, the better is that how to protect the bridge. That I think that is the most important. So we should go for that. And then if we feel anything that the bridge is in danger. So I think all of us we have to stop, traveling or movement of that bridge if it reach up to that mark, because we don't want to lose. If anything happened to that bridge, then what will happen to us then, especially electricity and the loss of life, so many things will be lost. So for that, I think we have to take steps how to protect it. For this, I can take a call from my end to our officers and the department. So we'll look into it whether that is possible or not. Because relocate of someone's property is not easy. So it's quite difficult. We have witnessed with our own eye relocate of only one small portion of land to somewhere else, and so it's very difficult to convince. So I think for this we can take a call and then have a look how what is the possibilities. Now for this I believe that the especially the department who are looking for that bridge, they do have this testing and maybe hopefully they have reports also for that. Otherwise it should not be so careless that without testing the lifespan of that bridge. Otherwise, if how has been mentioned by you that the lifespan of that bridge is over now, so that means it's not feasible for any vehicle to travel. So since we have witnessed that vehicle is still traveling, that means there's some kind of report has been conducting that which shows that travel, crossing over the bridge is still applicable. So I believe that is there. Yeah, if required, we can have that also.
No, no, it is required right now because
No,
you mentioned.
first we have to ask what step has been taken as of now from different, consent department who are looking after the bridge. If we feel that what is the report conducting based on that is very much alert, so I think we need to have that. So first we have to interact with them, then only we can go ahead
So
with
you,
this.
you'll be interacting with them.
With the consent department who's looking after the bridge.